Hi, my name is Rotem. I'm an exercise physiologist and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Very important thing that the treadmill has to offer is to change the grade in the machine. This is really important because it challenges your cardiovascular system, and it's really good for people with orthopedic problems or people that just don't feel like increasing the speed on the machine. Because you are able to walk in slower speed while challenging your heart with increasing the grade, it is really ideal for people who are just getting started and getting back into exercise after a while. The incline workout recruits lower back muscle to keep your body erected. It's also a great alternative for people suffering from heel pain because it minimizes heel strike impact and stretching of foot with each step. After we increase the speed on the machine, we are going to increase the grade level.